Well, hello once again everyone, welcome to our channel, and this time we are showing you on how to create a square video that you can use for social media pages like Facebook and Instagram, and you can do this for your clients as well. You don't need any complicated software program, and this is via the online platform InVideo. All you need to do is go to the website at invideo.io. So that's invideo.io. You can go to the website and you can create a free account first so you can try all the features and you can learn how to navigate the website and the working dashboard as well. So in video, all you have to do is scroll down, and on the middle of the website you can see the three different dimensions for video: the wide, the square, and the vertical. So for this tutorial, we are teaching you on how to create a square video for social media pages like Facebook and Instagram, like I mentioned a while back. So all you have to do is click on that, and all the square video templates will populate your dashboard. Alright, so for the sake of this tutorial, just try a very simple one. You can click on the arrow beside, and you can, when you click on a template, it plays below so you can see the content of the template you would like to use for your project. Okay, so for example, you want to try this one. This is really good, right? So this is the template that you can use if you are into the business of, selling this kind of stuff. So for example, we are into this kind of stuff, or your client is into this kind of stuff. Maybe you just like the effect here, so you can change the images, and you can also change the text and the logo, of course. So all you need to do, of course, is click on the use this template button here, and of course your working dashboard will load on your dashboard. So here we are on the working dashboard. This is your canvas here, and this is your timeline. Okay, this is what the video template contains. And on the left side, you can see all the buttons here. You can use free video clips, you can use free images, you can use free music, free fonts, and you can also upload your own logo for your project. So let's try to edit, all the content of this video template for the square video that we are creating right now. So on your timeline, all you have to do is click on the different clips on your timeline, if for the sake of editing the content of this one. Alright, so there you go. If you want to change the image, you just have to click the image there, and you can just delete the image or replace it with another one. Alright, by simply clicking on the delete button on top. If you want to delete, of course, the image, you can just click on that and delete. If you want to find a free photo to replace that one, go to the image section, just clicking on the image button here on the left side of your working dashboard, and maybe replace it with another fruit image. So you have to just got it up there. So this looks nice. Alright, so this is the one we have replaced. You can just replace it there. And alright, once the image is there, click on the image, and on top are the options for you to be able to edit the image that you have replaced. So you can click animate on top just to you can try some of the effects just to animate your video. The fade in from left, you can click on that. Alright, you can choose a lot of effects here. Shift from right, from left, it's up to you. Slide from left, and then once you have added that, let's review how it looks. So it slides from the left, the effect that we have chosen, and you can easily change the text within your template. So just by double clicking on that, and then highlighting all of these, and you can just put in anything. Put here your words. It's like that. You can also change what's written in here. Blah blah. Alright, so there you go. And if you want to edit slide number 2, you can just click on slide number 2 on your timeline here below, and you can easily change, of course, the video that's on here, or you can just retain that for the sake of this tutorial. Alright, so you can also change. So you can also change all the text elements that you can see in here. And for your logo, it automatically gets inserted there. So for example, this is the logo you have uploaded. You can upload the logo, or for the sake of this tutorial, let's just use this one, and it gets inserted on the video. There you go. And for you to be able to edit the music background, just click on the audio or the music element below. Okay, and just click on edit here, so you can control the properties of the audio track that you have placed on this video. You can also replace this one by going into music, and you can, maybe choose a chill out music, something that is free. You can listen to that, and you can just click replace music. And of course you have to click on yes, and the selected video was added to the video, or the selected music was added to the video, and you just have to play and listen to that. So there you have it, the chill hop music you chose got inserted to your video project. Alright, so if you want to edit that again, just go to your music track here, just click on that, click on the edit button, so you can edit the audio properties. Of course, if you're satisfied, you have, let's say, edited all the vital information here, you have changed the images, and you have added all the effects and animation, you can click on the download and share button on top right here, and just click on export. For the free account, you can only download the 720p, because if you want a higher definition video file, you have to upgrade to premium. Okay, so that's fine. Click on that and click on export. And InVideo will load the finished video for you on a separate dashboard while it starts rendering the video that you have created. So it's still at 2%. Let's wait on that. So once it has finished rendering the video, it's time to download the file. Just click on the download button here on the right side. Alright, and there you go. And you can click on that to open it. So as you can see, it's a square video. You can upload it to your social media sites like Facebook and Instagram. Let's close that one. And going back, so this is your finished video. If you forgot something, if you want to edit the video, you just click on edit version for you to go back to your working dashboard and do some more edits to the video you just completed. Alright, so there you go. And that's how you create a square video for social media pages like Instagram and Facebook. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you on the next. Take care, everyone.